Isaac Newton was a physicist and a mathematician born on January 4th, 1643 in England, and he hypothesized the laws of motion by watching an apple fall from a tree.
Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion until acted upon by an outside force.
Newton's first law, this is another example of Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest stays at rest unless acted on by an outside force, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an outside force. This is the object, and it's going to stay in motion until it hits the wall, which is the outside force. Okay?
Newton's first law also states that an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. The ball will stay at rest because the force of the gravity pushing down on the ball is equal to the force of the table keeping the ball up.
And this object is at rest because gravity is pushing down on it, and my hand is the other force pushing up on it.
Newton's second law states that force equals mass times acceleration. Therefore, if the object trying to be moved's mass increases, the force needed to move the object at the same acceleration will also need to increase. Demonstrating the second law of motion, the smaller car takes less force to accelerate.
The bigger car takes more force to accelerate because it has more mass. Yeah.
Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Therefore, if two balls of the same mass collide, the momentum from the first ball will be transferred to the second ball. In this example, the yellow ball hit the blue ball and transferred the momentum.
Newton's third law of motion is action-reaction forces, where is equal but opposite forces, and we're showing you this by tug of war, right? And we have equal but opposite forces. That's why we're not going anywhere. But when we have not equal but opposite forces, we go like this.